guys, welcome to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got the makeup look that I'm wearing right now. This is a holiday makeup tutorial, a little bit of a different take on it. I wanted to do like a gold eye, kind of like a cut crease, like intense glitter gold eye, and then just more of like a glossy blotted red lip instead of the traditional matte red bold lip with like a silver smoky eye. I just wanted to do something a little bit different, and I really like how this look turned out. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love the glowing skin as well, so I really hope that you guys love this look as much as I do, and don't forget to subscribe it down below if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. You can also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and don't forget to come join me on Instagram and Twitter. They will be linked in the description box down below, and if you want to see how I got this holiday makeup, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Medium Sand just to prime my eyelids, just to create a nice base. And then I'm going to set that down with the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. This is a drugstore favorite, and I've loved this for a long time. And then I'm going to take this Touch in Sol Medalist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo, and I'm just going to use the foil side, like the liquid side, and kind of create like a cut crease, kind of winged out cat eye shape. I am not adding any like transition shades or anything like that. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop glitter, and this is in the shade Lightning Bug. It's like a really pretty eyeshadow, and I'm just applying that with my finger as a base and then going over the edges with a brush to do some detail work and make it, you know, like a proper cut crease. And then I'm using the black eyeshadow from one of the Vault palettes from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collection. This is the Dark Magic one. The black in this palette is amazing. And I'm just doing kind of like a black smoky liner very close to the lashes. And then to prime or as a base, I'm using the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I really love this stuff to use as a primer because it adds like a beautiful glowy dewy base. And then for foundation, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Stick Foundation. I really like the finish of this. It has great coverage, and I feel like I can still see my skin through it. It looks natural, and it's not anything too heavy, which is kind of rare in a stick foundation, I feel like. And then I'm going to use that same concealer and just do some spot concealing just over a few different areas here and there with my e.l.f. sponge. Taking it under the eyes and just blending it out with that same sponge. I love how full coverage and matte this concealer is, just because I do have really dark circles and creasy under eyes, and this just kind of prevents all of that. I'm using the same powder that I used earlier to set my lids. I'm just using this to set the under eyes with a sponge. I feel like it really sets it in place. And then I'm taking that same liquid eyeshadow that I used earlier, and I'm just running it along the lower lash line very lightly, and I'm just going to blend it out a little bit with a brush. Nothing too crazy, I just wanted to add a little bit to the lower lash line. And then I'm taking this nude pencil, this one is from Rimmel, I believe, and I'm just lining the waterline to kind of give it that open eye effect. I'm also taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Original Mascara and just adding some to the lower lashes. And then to bronze, I'm going to use my Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer in Baked. I love this one, and I just love to blend it out with my e.l.f. stipple brush. I just kind of go crazy and blend it out everywhere. It still kind of stays in that targeted area, but just very diffused, and it just gives the most beautiful matte yet kind of like natural dewy look to the skin. It's also just the perfect tone that I love for bronzer, not too cool, not too warm. Taking it down the neck a bit. And then for blush, I'm using my ColourPop blush sticks in Aloha. This is a peachy color, but I'm not adding too much of this, so I feel like it'll still kind of have that holiday vibe. I'm just gonna run my sponge over it, just kind of blend over top so that it's not too crazy. I just wanted a really light blush look. And then I'm taking my Maybelline single eyeshadow in the shade the Glow Down, and this is a beautiful, gorgeous highlight. It's like a golden shade. I really wanted something to kind of go with the eyes, and this is just the most intense, beautiful, glowy highlight. Even though it's an eyeshadow, it's beautiful as an eyeshadow as well, but I really love it as a highlight. For brows, I'm using my NYX Precision Brow Pencil and just filling them in like I normally do. Kind of a fluffy yet still sleek look. Really just depends how big of a hurry I'm in. Sometimes I will take more time to make them look more fluffy and thick. Just brushing through them so everything is blended, and then I'm taking my usual L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper and running this through my brows. I think this is discontinued, so I need to find something else, but I'm just so attached to it. Here I'm just lining my lips with a nude lip liner. You can really use anything you want. I just wanted something to kind of outline the edges, and I didn't have like a red lip pencil or anything, so I am going to go in with this Julep Hydrating Lip Sheer in the shade Crimson. This is a beautiful sheer lip product. It's the perfect consistency, and it is a kind of bluey undertoned red. Over top of that, I'm going to take my ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and I'm just applying a little bit of this. And this combo is just absolutely stunning, especially if you don't want a super matte, bold red lip, but you still want something that feels festive. Alright, so that is it. This is the finished makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. If you would like to see more makeup tutorials from me, let me know in the comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!